Okay guys, welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I'm gonna stress that because my tree, oh my gosh, she's sad looking. It's one of those things where I love the way Christmas looks and all of that stuff, but the whole putting everything up, like I have stuff up. I mean, look. Oops. Yeah. But look at that tree. She looking sad. Why? I don't know where she came from. My parents came over. I was like, yeah, it's the tree you guys gave us. What, the strand? I barely, like, I don't even think anybody tapped it, and all of a sudden we got a strand out. So there's probably a short, so obviously I can't use the tree plugged in, so I have to get lights for that. And we all know lights don't last every single year. I mean, maybe if you spend like an arm and a leg and a lip kidney, but that's not my journey, which I'm probably doing anyways because I have to buy new lights every year. Whatever, I digress. So I was on the phone with my girlfriend, and she gets like, she puts like, I kid you not, like 10 trees up in her house. And she is such a go-getter that one of her trees literally went kaput like mine. She drove day of Black Friday to go buy a brand new mother trucking tree. And I was like, I mean, darn, you go girl. That's not me. I'm trying to decide, do I just throw some lights on there, which I probably will do, versus going and buying a new one. Anyways, hey guys, welcome to the Ramble Fest. It's been a few days since I filmed, so I am really chatty Cathy over here. So we are going to be unboxing the Chic Beauty Box subscription. This is not a monthly subscription, this is bi-monthly. And can I just say, it's a big package. Like, I'm not trying to show the deets, but like, it's a big, thicker than a Snicker, and I'm really excited to see what's in it. I did kind of take a little sneaky peeky to make sure, but I'm talking a lot. Anyways, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. I appreciate you all so much. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, I see you and I appreciate you guys. And if you are just returning, can I just say thank you to you guys as well. I just appreciate all you guys, like, with my whole heart. And thank you to those of you that are sharing my videos over on Facebook. It really just makes me so excited when I see it in analytics. I'm like, oh my god. Okay, anyways, so the Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription. It is going to cost you $34.99. It's billed bi-monthly. It's their most flexible plan, and it is a fully customizable box. Now you can also pay for 6 months. You can also pay for 12 months. Whatever your little heart desires, you can do that. So they did send this over to me in PR, so thank you to Chic Beauty Box for thinking of your girl. I greatly appreciate it. So keep in mind, it's fully customizable box. This is typically what the box comes like, just like this, maybe in a mailer, but for the most part it's just like this size. So that's why I was trying to show you guys the size. We got this with it. Now it's customizable, so you would have picked this. So this is an Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty Palatopoli Bring the Fun Back in Makeup, ages beauty for all. This is going to be one of your items if you chose it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel like it's Christmas. It contains 24 color palette, 24 cards, notepad, instructions, and 2 pencils. So there we go. Sure enough, so here's the notepad to get to know your eye. I've never heard of this before. It's kind of like that, what's that, Mad Lips or something? I don't know. Wow. Okay, so it's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. And then when we open it up, we'll both get first peek. Oh, look at that. Really nice and colorful. So, not for sure. I mean, obviously, the cards play a role and maybe just kind of tell you, like, what to pick. Okay, what is it? When it comes to greens, I absolutely love the greens and the berries, and just so pretty, so fun. So that is going to be the first item in here, which I think is pretty doggone cute. So when we open the box, again, it's a total surprise. Because it was sent in PR, I don't get to customize it, and I'm totally fine with that. So this is going to be the November-December Chic Beauty Box. So this Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty Cosmetics Palatopoli eyeshadow palette in game is $49 retail value. Now keep in mind, once again, you're paying $39.99 bi-monthly, and you're customizing. Next in here we have a product by NARS, And this is the Precision Lip Liner in Rouge. Rouge, whatever. I don't even know if you guys will be able to read it. There you go. Big words are not my thing. It's like instant fear. Like, nothing was worse than when you were in like English class or reading class, whatever, and they're like, okay, everybody's gonna read a paragraph. I was like, no, please, please, no, no, no. And I would literally count the class and so I could see which paragraph was mine. But it didn't matter because anxiety got the best of me, and the fact that I had learning disabilities and all of that. So I was like, by the time they're like, okay, Rhonda, sweating profusely, stuttering ridiculously, it was just, why do teachers do that? Why do teachers do that? Like, don't do that. And you know which kids are the strugglers, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's not do that to them. But anyways, I digress. Alright, so this is a very pretty, like, maroony red with a hint of a red undertone. Now, here's what I'll say. It scares me. It scares me. But I think really pretty looks could come from it because, one, the undertone's really pretty. It's not going to accentuate the fact that I love coffee and everything. So that's good. And you could always go over top of it with like a lighter nude color like Share or Nude, or what else is there? Bel Air or Sugar and Spice, all from Gerard Cosmetics, of course. That's my favorite lip liner. I have it on today. I have Share on today. But you could always lighten it up that way. But I mean, you could always contour with this. So I don't know. And here's the other thing. Some people will say that my personal lipstick that I created with OFRA Cosmetics, Hot Mess Mama, is too light for them. I always recommend going in with your favorite deeper, darker lip liner and applying that, and then blotting the Hot Mess Mama over top of it until you kind of create your own little shade that you want. I love to mix, you guys know that. Alright, now when it comes to the Chic Beauty Box, there is going to be a mix of high-end as well as we may see things like drugstore. So this is NYX or NYX, and this is the wait, that was the NARS lip liner, $24. This is the NYX Cosmetics High Definition Blush for $9.99. Honestly, this looks like it's almost like a bronzer. It's in Beach Babe. You know, I always hear so many good things about NYX. I need to try more of their products out. Like, my 17-year-old actually got me that marshmallow primer from NYX, and I need to try that. Oh, okay, so this actually looks like it's got a shimmer to it, or like maybe that it's a satin. I'm trying to, yeah, there you go. That's a little bit better. It's pretty. Oh, she has definitely got a sheen. Is that gonna work? There. Do you guys see it's sheeny? There we go. It's definitely got a sheen to it. It's definitely very orangey too. For me, I'd have to have this be like a topper because it's very, like I said, it's very sheeny. It would almost be a really pretty, like, put your bronzer in your crease and then a little of this on the lid, and I think it would be really pretty. But for me, I'm afraid on my cheeks it would just accentuate every pore that I have, and I'm not really always trying to do that. All right, next in here we've got the Retro Liner, and this is by Chic Beauty, I think, and it has a $12 retail value. Ooh, that's really cool. It's like a silver. It's a really pretty silver shade. I'm gonna just, ooh, that's cool. It's a liner, but I feel like you could almost, okay, no, it's 100% one of those liners that you need to like use water or your setting spray in order to get it going. So I'm gonna just gift this over to Haley because Haley does really fun creative looks and she can handle things like this. Me, I will overthink it. I will have one line up here, one down here, and people will be like, you winged it out, and I'll be like, anywho. Okay, last in here we've got a Bare Minerals brush. This is a Luxe Performance brush. It's a $32 retail value. Ooh, I actually like that. It has like a slant. I like that a lot. I like that it's smaller. Kind of reminds me of my BK Beauty foundation brush, which I really do like that one. Matter of fact, I haven't used that in so long. I should pull that out and use it. But it's slanted like that, but I like how It's a little bit more petite, and it can get into like more of like your nooks and crannies, and it's really nice and soft, a good dense type of brush. Ooh, I really like that. Okay, so that is everything in the box. Some other things you may have seen instead of the NYX Cosmetics. You may have seen CoverGirl's Super Stunner Hyper Glow Highlighter. You may have also seen the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. Honestly, I'm kind of glad I got this instead. You may see or have picked the Cab Cosmetics Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette. Overall, I think this was a really good box. I mean, honestly, guys, starting at $34.99. Oh, and code HOTMESS will save you off your first box. I think it's HOTMESS. I'll have all the information down in the description box below for you guys. But I don't know. I think this was a pretty doggone good box. So, hold on. Let me show you something that I literally just received yesterday in PR from L'Oreal. I was shookity shocked. The reason I'm going to show it to you guys is because I already filmed a PR haul unboxing. And this came days later, so I want to include it so you guys can see it. Hold on one sec. Okay, so L'Oreal sent over their collab with Bethany Frankel, and I thought this was so cool because she has been, if you guys follow her over on TikTok, like love her, hate her, whatever, I don't care. I think it's really cool because she has done over on TikTok a lot of makeup, skincare reviews, and I mean, we all know she can afford like so stupid crazy expensive formulas, like whether it's skincare or makeup, and she loves to test them all out and let you know, like, this is like La Mer and you can get it for whatever. So anyway, she really fell hard for a lot of L'Oreal products, so I think it's really cool. She came out with the Midnight Night Serum. It's an anti-aging serum that is just gorgo, and your skin will thank you. And then we've got the Midnight Cream. It's a deep hydration. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's rich, it's luxury. So I thought this was cool. I mean, let me just tell you, this is L'Oreal and it's bougie. Like, just look at how nice this bottle is. Like, aesthetically, it's glass and it's kind of got like an amber kind of gradient and everything to it. It's super, super pretty. So thank you to L'Oreal for sending this over my way. I think it's really cool. And congratulations, Bethany. I mean, not that you watch me, but if you do, like, I think it's pretty cool. Here's the thing about me, y'all. I love to see people succeed. Thank you once again to my YouTube members. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button. Check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, Hot Mess in the Kitchen. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma04. And all information will be down in my description box. And hey, don't forget about my collection over at OFRA Cosmetics. They're having a huge sale. I don't know if it's still going on at the time that this video goes live, but if it is, then definitely snag it. You guys, go ahead and get yourself back up. Go ahead and send it to your friends, because this collection I purposely made to be able to use all year around. Not just a spring, not just a summer, not just a fall or a winter, but all year around. So anyways, if the sale's not going on, don't worry about it. Code HOTMESS will save you 20% off your purchase. Thank you if you do use my coupon codes. Anything I can make affiliate codes, I definitely do. I will tell you guys my Chic Beauty Box code, that's not an affiliate. But anyways, check my description box down below. All information will be down there for you guys. And thank you so much. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Doggone battery's dying once again.